Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So on to the next problem in the binary search trees. Well, it's a easy level problem. Lead code 653 to some 4. Okay, input is a binary search tree. Given the root of a binary search tree and an integer k, return the true. Return true if there exist two elements in the binary search tree such that their sum is equal to k. K. Now here k is 4. So when we go to 5, I have to search for 4. 4 exists, or else we go to 3. We have to search for and here we got 28. We have like we so for we can do one thing, which is to keep it in a to make a dictionary, or we have to make a dictionary, or a set or a sorted list. Let's see. Let's create a set, or let's keep it as record. And fine, so let's go. If not node, return dfs of node dot left, dfs of node dot right, record dot add node dot value. Now for I in record, if does not equals to I and k minus I does not equals to I, and k minus I in record return true, or else we gonna return false. Well, this is gonna work for sure, but before that we have to do dfs of root. Let's submit it and let's try to optimize it after submitting it. Well, this is working fine, but let's try to optimize it even more so that we don't need to maintain a record here. Let's see if that's possible. Well, I couldn't think of an approach. Let's see if we can find anything from other solutions. Well, if k minus root value in scene return true. Well, I guess we don't need to do the second search at least. Return true. Now return left or right. Let's see. Well, that's it. Seems like it is working fine. Let's try submitting it to. Great. Well, that's the optimal solution for you. So I hope you guys understood the intuition. The intuition is very simple, guys. We create a regular DFS and we are recording each value into a set. If we find k minus node value, which is what do we call it? The other half or other part of the node value which adds up to k is in the record, then we are returning true or else we are returning false. So we are going to search everything until we got a true value. If we got true, then it will, what do we call it, break the circuit, because one of the both, if one of the both becomes true, then we don't need to search anymore, because even we don't need to search this one, it will return true and we'll return that value from here. I hope you guys understood the intuition. If you like the video, upload it and share it with your friends, and feel free to comment so that we'll get a better reach and we can explain your doubts as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel. We'll meet you again with another video. Until then, keep learning and keep pushing hard. Goodbye, guys.